Hi, today I have this Tri-Circle brand small little padlock with this rock-like coating. I think this is pot iron, so yeah. So I couldn't get this picked open before this, and I just realized why that was, because this shackle, when it is closed, it sometimes won't open even with keys, or you really have to turn it so it would open. And yeah, like this. I was really trying to twist the key, and it finally opened. So yeah. So today I'm going to pick this open, but with shackle already opened. So yeah, this was advertised with ball bearings as a locking ball. So as you can see, it's not. It is simmable. So yeah, false advertising there. I've had this lock for about a month. For a month now, but this is the first time I'm trying to open this in front of a camera. So yeah, bottom of the keyway tensioning and just normal hook from the Praxis Dangerfield Praxis kit in 15,000s. And let's try to get this open. Sorry for the bad camera angle, but I will show you that the core turns. These are really difficult to pick sometimes, not because they are really well made, but because they are so fucking crunchy and horribly made, so they won't turn easily. Let's get this open. Open the fuck. So yeah, it's really difficult to get feedback on these locks when it's so fucking crunchy that you start to believe everything is serrated and undercut and everything like that, but I believe this is all standards, and ounce of sand thrown in there just for fun. Chinese prank. Where is the pin that I am not getting picked? Let's start over. Maybe I overset something with this horrible lock. fuck?
Dante et ota. Dante ei. Hei. Onko sä ollut Annelissa?
Why I'm not getting this open? What the fuck? And now I raked it open because I lost my temper. So yeah, as you can see, it is open and full of normal standard pins. I just couldn't get the feedback, so I started using this W rake that I have here, and it opened it pretty quickly. So yeah, as you can see, it is open now. Now it is closed. So yeah, I have 4 of these Tri-Circle brand padlocks lying around here everywhere. So they are not the shittiest one, but pretty shitty. So yeah, don't buy these. You get what you pay for. So yeah, hit the like button if you like this video, and hit the subscribe button if you really like this video, and bye.